There's a point in a man's life when he becomes difficult to manipulate, not because he became cold, but because he finally became aware. Hindi ito bigla ang pagbabago. Walang dramatic moment. Walang malaking eksena. It happens slowly. Kapag napansin niya yung patterns, yung paulit-ulit na cycle ng explain, adjust, forgive, tapos ganun pa rin. That's when awareness starts to replace emotion. He realizes something important. Not everyone who speaks softly means well. Not everyone who needs you actually respects you. And once a man sees the pattern, he can't unsee it. Stops over-explaining. Stop reacting immediately. Stop mistaking urgency for importance. Because manipulation often hides in pressure. Sa pagmamadali, sa guilt, sa takot na baka siya ang mali. So he learns to pause. Hindi na siya basta-basta sumasagot. Hindi na siya nadadala ng emosyon. He listens more than he speaks. And in that silence, you start to hear his intuition again. He understands that consistency matters more than words. That effort without respect is still exploitation. That being needed is not the same as being valued. Becoming hard to manipulate doesn't make him aggressive. It makes him grounded. He set boundaries, not to control others, but to protect himself. He doesn't argue to win. He doesn't explain himself to be understood by people who already decided not to listen. Because clarity doesn't beg. He also realizes that manipulation isn't always obvious. Sometimes it comes disguised as love, as concern, as I just want best for you. I just want what's best for you pala. But control always leaves the same feeling. You end up doubting yourself, shrinking your needs, apologizing for having standards. And once he recognizes that feeling, he respects it. So he stops abandoning himself just to keep the peace. He chooses discomfort over self-betrayal. At first, people notice the change. They call him distant, cold, different. But what they really noticing is that he no longer responds the way they expect. He no longer reacts. He chooses, and that's power. Not power over people, but power over himself. He understands now that the maturity is knowing when to speak, and wisdom is knowing when silence says more. He doesn't chase validation. He doesn't rush decisions. He doesn't need approval to trust his judgment. He allows people to reveal who they are through behavior, not promises. And because of that, manipulation loses its grip. A man who knows his boundaries becomes expensive to misuse. He's calm. He's observant. He's intentional. And the strongest part, he doesn't announce it. He simply moves differently. He becomes selective with his time, carefully with his energy, clear with his standards. Not because he thinks he's better than others, but because he finally understands his own value. That's when life changes. Conversation change, relationships change, opportunities change. Because the world responds differently to a man who knows when to walk away. And that's what it really means to become hard to manipulate. Not louder, not colder, just clearer.